Hey, this is stuff from Doug and Nikki, and I have here in my hands, and you're watching it play up there, a new KF11 truck to test out. This is so interesting because this is a fast truck. It's ready to go, ready to play. I haven't seen this before. It has a full metal drivetrain. How interesting and different is that? Seems so cool. What a great concept. It's got a 2.4 gigahertz radio. Anyway, enjoy the stunts, enjoy me playing with it, testing it out. I'm gonna really put it through the ringer and make sure it's good. Then I'm gonna come back, give you a Doug score from 1 to 5, let you know what I thought of that test. And then finally, if you find that interesting, you come back here to the past and watch me unbox it and see what it comes with, talk in more detail about its features and that kind of stuff. So let's go watch the rest of the video and I'll see you at the review. Hey, this is Doug. I am back. Whoo, I am back. It is hot and it is now raining out there, so you may hear a unique combination of July 4th fireworks and thunderstorm all at the same time while I do this review. But I was out there for a good long time. I am hot, sweaty, and dirty, but I have thoroughly tested this, and this thing is just ridiculously cool. I honestly feel like this is like the next gen, like where the RC cars should be going, because I don't know if you saw or not. I'm not sure if that video came out, but like the battery died and it was so much faster and easier to replace this modular battery than a conventional battery in an RC car. Super cool. In terms of the car itself and performance, it goes reasonably quick for its size, really cool, but it is still easy to control. The controller itself is outstanding. I really like the controller. The one problem which I did have with it was it would pretty much go over everything and really quickly and nicely, but every once in a while it would flip, it would endo that way, which is a little unusual for a RC car. They don't normally go over that way, we go over this way. But I think it might be just because it's small and a short wheelbase that it kind of like punches the nose and flips itself over. But as you can see, it is like in outstanding condition, very durable, ran great, no issues whatsoever. Giving that a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. How about we go to that unboxing? Here we are in the past. You saw the video, obviously that must have been interesting, and the review also, that you're still here to see what's in this box. I'm very interested to see. I've done lots of RC vehicles, as you know. I don't think I've seen one with a full, I mean literally a full metal drivetrain. That's so cool. This will go, supposedly, you saw the video, but you could tell me more than I can tell you right now. It goes 36 kilometers per hour, which is hauling pretty good for an RC vehicle. Let's see what it looks like in here. It's a 16th scale, which I actually kind of like the 16th scale. It's kind of like small and cool, but still like a legit model, and yeah, I like 16th scale. Here is the instruction manual. I always recommend you read the instruction manual, because I promise you, somebody in the factory is like, ooh, I could screw with these people and mess them up by just changing a little bit. And that is a cool looking, I gotta say. Woo, this thing weighs a ton. It must have a giant battery in there. Wow. This thing absolutely weighs a ton. It has full independent suspension. I guess it might be heavy also because, like as we discussed, it has full metal running gear. You could see the drive shafts are metal. The ball joints are metal. The shock absorbers clearly are oil filled. They feel pretty good there. Let's see what it looks like underneath the skin here. Ooh, this looks kind of like, this is a little unusual as RC cars look. Almost looks like it has like a skateboard drivetrain, like a modern electric car. Like it's, you know, that's kind of what it looks like to me. Very solid. Even the way these fasteners works, again, very, very positive, the way they connect except I can't get it open. Let's see what it looks like in here. How am I doing it wrong? Does it go that way? Oh, it just pops out. Oh, look at that. It's a completely modular battery. Again, I have not seen this in an RC car. This is like the battery that would have come out of a drone. Check that out. That is super cool. I'm really liking this. I hope I liked it in the test. I'm certainly liking it for the unboxing. That's so cool. All right, let's see what else we have here. What is in here? I'm assuming this is another battery. Okay, another battery. And... okay, so it only has one charger, which I always kind of complain about. I don't understand why. Why? For whatever that charger costs, why we can't have two chargers so we can charge both batteries at the same time. Has a little tool for the wheels, some replacement clips for when I lose these sitting around here on the table. Pretty straightforward. Let's see, this is just your standard remote control, 2.4 gigahertz. We got trim for the speed. Oh wait, we got some extra functionality here. Ooh, does it have a low and a high gear? Get the heck out of here. That is awesome. Okay. I'm excited to play with this tomorrow. Obviously, you saw me play with this toy already. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.